One young lady had the unfortunate luck to park her car right underneath a burst pipe in a Dallas park. In a Twitter video posted by @Landon Howell, TikTok user @KianaRose filmed what seems to be her car completely due to a pipe bursting right above it. Watch the absolutely insane video below. Honestly, this shouldn't be funny, but let's all admit that the entire parking garage is empty, and the one pipe that appears to have been obliterated by the brutal weather and was right. She chose the one space that was completely destroyed in the parking garage. I mean, if you don't at least see a little bit of the humor in this situation, then you just don't. If you couldn't make something like this up in a movie and sell it as believable. Yet, there she is in the parking garage with her car absolutely. I have no idea if that car can be saved or not, but my hopes aren't high that it's going to drive her. What an incredibly unlucky situation for this young woman.